What can I do in a Google Classroom? Well, here are 15 things I can do. I can make class announcements. Google Classroom gives teachers a place to post their class announcements. You can post them to the stream and send an email to students' Gmail accounts. Students are able to locate older announcements by scrolling down in the stream. Unlike verbal announcements or those written on a whiteboard, announcements in Google Classroom are accessible outside of class. The Google Classroom also allows students to make comments on the announcement. This transforms what might traditionally be one-way communication into two-way communication. You can also share resources. It allows teachers to take a document, video, or link and push it out to their students. Utilizing Google Classroom as the consistent location for students to obtain digital resources maximizes classroom instruction time. When students are not being directed to multiple locations to find resources, the flow of the classroom is much improved. To share a resource, click on Announcement at the top of the Google Classroom stream. There are 4 icons along the bottom of the announcement creation box. The paperclip icon attaches files that are saved on the computer. The Google Drive icon allows Google Docs or other files stored in the teacher's Google Drive to be attached to the announcement. If the file in Google Share or Google Drive is shared privately, the shared settings are modified to allow students in the class to view the file without additional steps by the teacher. The YouTube icon allows the teachers to paste the URL of a YouTube video they already have located. Alternatively, Google Classroom provides a search box to locate YouTube videos. And the 4th icon allows the teacher to paste the URL of an internet resource. You can create a lesson. More than simply assigning work to students, Google Classroom allows the teacher to build a complete lesson. At the top of the stream in the classroom, the teacher can click on Assignment to start building a lesson set. The description area of the assignment allows the teacher to provide directions to students for completing the lesson and assignment. Students are able to move through the lesson more efficiently when resources and materials are presented in a logical order. Creating an instructional document in Google Drive and attaching it using the Google Drive icon can start the lesson set. To supplement the instructional document, the teacher can attach YouTube videos or videos located in the teacher's Google Drive as the next part of the lesson. Engaging videos, screencasts, or short instructional pieces can provide additional understanding beyond the instructional text. Videos can also be utilized to differentiate instructions for students. Providing multiple videos that address different learning modalities or ability levels can help students choose an instructional option that works for them. Websites that allow students to practice some of the skills in the lesson can be provided as part of the lesson set. Collaborative documents may also be added to the lesson set to allow students to brainstorm or crowdsource information. Typically, the last part of the lesson set is the assignment for the student to complete. Attaching a graphic organizer or template document provides the task for the student to complete. Multiple files for one assignment. Multiple assignments or multiple attachments for one assignment can all be put together in one spot to help with the student's organization. You can also organize assignments with due dates. Students can see assignments, the due dates, and whether they have turned them in. No more "the dog ate my homework," unless the dog ate the Chromebook. You can also create one assignment for multiple classes. Then, after the student has turned in the assignment, you can have written or voice feedback. You can grade it, return it to the student, and export grades to Progress Book. Go paperless. Everything can be provided in Classroom. Work, turn-in, and collaboration. Discuss. There are several options on having a class discussion. Discussion questions can be added on an individual page, and additional tabs can be used for multiple questions. The Google Sheet can be shared with students for editing access, and each student can answer the discussion questions. This allows for all students to have a voice in the discussion, even when they might struggle with speaking up in class. The spreadsheet discussion also allows the students to view their classmates' ideas in order to compare and contrast the ideas with their own. Students' responses can be dragged around the sheet in order to articulate patterns and the differences in student opinions. Polling. You can create an assignment to poll, such as who can attend a field trip or what students may feel about certain current topics. Peer feedback. Students can insert comments on their classmates' work. Watch students do homework. This is a great feature. Students can be working on their assignments at home, and you can actually log in and look at the student work that they are working on in the Google Drive. This allows for real-time feedback and interactions. Observe another classroom. You can have a colleague join your classroom as a student to give you feedback or to help them model, and maybe they could add some of the stuff to their own classroom. Or you can share the class with them and you both have access to edit it as team teachers. Google Classroom assignments are saved to a Google Drive folder. This provides easy access to student work samples. Teachers can use the Google Drive icon when creating an announcement to find a previous assignment in the Google Classroom folder. Use the Control key to select multiple student documents at once and share them through an announcement. I hope I haven't overwhelmed you with all the different things that Google Classroom can do. There's probably about 100 of them, and I just shared 15 of them with you today. If you ever have any questions, please stop by and I'll be happy to help you.